Hello, listener. This is Clarin Kodamanchili speaking, your host for today's episode, which is the talk given by Mr. Yash Dadhwadi, Area Director, India and Bangladesh River Recycle from Finland, on the topic River Pollution. This talk is a part of the 10th IC Innovator Club meeting hosted on the topic Pollution and Diseases. Let us hear from Mr. Yash Dadhwadi.
First of foremost, my sincere thanks to Dr. Saab and my dear friend Sachin for giving me this opportunity to share my knowledge about the river plastic pollution. I will not give you much dynamics or data on that, but I would like to share that, almost 12 million metric ton plastic reaches oceans every year. And the plastic is the largest component affecting the marine life. And so I just give you background about river recycle. River recycle is basically a concept designed by our founder and CEO, Mr. ANSI Mikola. And we realized that plastic is one of the component, and the river is the most efficient transporter for this plastic getting into the oceans. So what concept we have designed is that we collect the plastic waste from the rivers, we sort, segregate this at the site, and then we send it for the respective recycling process, mechanically and chemically recycling. So, and then along the side, what we do is we try to create some awareness in the people living around the river area. Just tell them the ill effects of the poor waste management. Then we, train them how to do the segregation at the source. Because in waste management, segregation at the source is the real challenge actually. So that is causing, the most of the challenges for the people into the waste management. And then we train them and bring them to our site and show them how to send it for the processes, and then we create a value out of this plastic waste through chemically recycling. So what I would like to share here is that when we talk about the public private partnership, we normally think that from public side there is a government entity which is a PSU or some governing authority on the rivers, or maybe the municipal corporations, but we forget that it has to be people centric. So the moment we think that it has to be for the people and by the people, then there's a impact we can think about. So that is the whole idea we developed during this river cleaning process. And I give you a small statistic. My fellow panelists will talk about the water borne diseases and other things. 297,000 children died due to poor sanitation and hygiene system. And if I've gone through the NEERI report when we were doing the due diligence on Methi River in Mumbai. We are doing this project with MMRDA, and it is funded by Huhtamaki. And United Nations Technology Innovation Lab is another partner. VTT Research from Finland is another partner. And when we were going through the the NEERI report, but there is not much research done on the river plastic. So, what happens that we need to come out with more and more research, study on the river plastic, so that we can, design the solutions accordingly. Third, another important thing is that what normally happens that whenever we have any initiative, till the time you put in money, that concept or that initiative will remain alive. But the moment you withdraw the money, it collapsed. So we have come out with a solution which is a sustainable solution, so that we can keep continuing cleaning the river. So that is all about river recycle. And I would love to have the questions from the audience and the fellow panelists.
Thank you, Mr. Yash Dadhwadi. To watch the complete club meeting on this topic, visit the link in the description below. Subscribe to the channel to get instant access to all the podcasts. Follow us on social media through the links available in the description below. Thank you all for spending your time in listening to this week's episode. Look out for a new episode every Wednesday published on Google Podcasts, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. If you are interested in hosting your podcast with us, fill the form available in the description below. Thank you once again and stay safe. See you next time.